Namaste and welcome to my channel Watch and Learn Hindi. In today's video, I have 35 easy Hindi words for you that start with the alphabet A, along with their pronunciation and meaning in English. A is the first alphabet of the script in which Hindi language is written, Devanagari script. It is a vowel, the first vowel. I will say each word in Hindi and also what it means in English. Let's start. Ab means now. Abhi means right now. Ati is too much. Ant means end. Agar means if. Amar means immortal. Aham is ego or something important. Alag is different, separate, or detach depending on the context. Achal can mean either immovable or motionless, again depending on the context. Whereas atal means immovable. Apach is indigestion. Amal is implement. Aman means peace. Anuj is younger brother. Asur is demon. Anek means many. Akelaa is alone. Amol is priceless. Another word for priceless is anmol. Apna is one's own. Ast means set. Abhay is fearless. Akshar means alphabet, just like the akshar A. Alsi is flax seed. Ajeeb is weird. Adhik means either more or much. Adhura is incomplete. Asli is real. Aseem means boundless. Apar also means boundless. Anar is pomegranate. Achar is pickle. Anaj is grain. Amrit is elixir. And the last word is acha, which can mean good, nice, okay, or really, depending on the context. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos.